Hey there. The question says a clothing brand offers a 22% discount on the mark price of each t-shirt. During a weekend sale, customers receive 13 t-shirts for the price of 12. Wow. 13 for the price of 12. That means if they, let's say, pay for 12 t-shirts, they are getting one extra. That means 1 by 12. Okay, that is what we understand here. Okay. So we can say on the price of cost price of 12, they are getting one extra. All right. Or from the discount point of view, is like, on the price of 13, they're getting one discount. Okay, perfect. If the brand earns an overall profit of 26% on the sale and the cost price of each t-shirt is rupees 100, what is the mark price of each t-shirt? Perfect. Let me assume the mark price to be M. If the mark price is M and 22% discount, after giving the discount, this becomes 0.78. Why? Because 100 minus 22 is 78%. So the selling price comes out to be M into 0.78. Nice. Okay. And this is selling price. And also the cost price is rupees 100. Okay. But there is some kind of sale. Also, overall profit that is earned here is 26%. That is the overall profit. Well, okay. No problem. So what exactly is happening over here? I want to write in one simple equation. So the customer is receiving 13 t-shirts for the price of 12. So essentially the cost price of per t-shirt is not exactly 100 from the shopkeeper's point of view, from the brand's point of view, because they are kind of shelling away 13 t-shirts and just take take the money for 12 t-shirts only. That means 100 into 13 by 12 will be the actual cost price for these guys. All right. So I think you understand that. Basically, the cost price that they are, and the 100 rupees cost price is for one t-shirt that is there. But just because they are giving one t-shirt extra for every 12 t-shirts, that means the cost price that they are incurring, the cost they're incurring is 13 by 12 of 100. And on this, they are getting getting a profit of 1.26, like 26%. So I'll just multiply this cost price by 1.26 to get the selling price. Essentially, I have calculated the selling price over here in terms of mark, in terms of cost price, and that's all. I'll just solve it and get the answer for mark price of each t-shirt. So M is equal to, can I cancel anything over here? 12, 1.26. Okay, this point and 100 gets cancelled out. Wow, I'm so much relieved. 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 21 is what I get. Nice. So now I have 13 multiplied by 21 whole upon 2 multiplied by 0.78. 78 is basically 13 multiplied by 6, right? So I'll just remove this point and put two zeros in the numerator. 13 sixes are 78, and that's all I think. So let me just divide 2100 by 12. 12 ones are 12, 9, 12 sevens are 84, 12 fives are 60. 175 is the answer, guys. So this is how, the thing is, this question is not difficult. It was just calculative because normally people do it in 2, 3, 4 steps. It's just that you have to, a kind of really calculative in your mind so that you write this down in just one line. Thank you.